orange and sounds like a parrot. A carrot. Do you like my stupid bird jokes? Giz, can you turn around?
Why?
Because I want to see your handsome grey face.
Turn my back.
I love you. Ooh. What's so funny?
Burrs.
I don't understand what she's doing. Who sits like this? What's going on? Why are you sitting like this? Lexi? What's... okay. ذكرتيني قطوة؟ Aww.
And I got 2 of the same toy, so there's no fighting. Okay? Okay, I got 2 blue monsters. Yeah, you get one and Lyra gets one, okay? Hold on, take the tags off of it, and you can have it. Yeah. All the tags are off. Ready? Now you get... Now, careful with the baby! Don't shove it in her face. Lyra, here's yours. Lyra, there's yours. Lyra, here's yours. No, here's your... Lyra, this one's yours. This one's yours. No, this one. This one. Lyra, this one's yours. No, this one, not the one that Nala has. Oh, she's mad. There you go. You got it. Yay, you got it. Yeah, you guys both got the same toy. So now there won't be fights. Oh, you want to go in your bed? Here.
Good morning. What's up? Is it windy out? Yeah, it's so windy. Hi, good morning. Yeah, good morning. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. I know, this is scary. It's very, very windy out there. It's a big storm. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta put the hummingbird feeders out. They're gonna be waiting for us. Yeah. Yeah.
So
Meh. What's wrong? Merv, if you're mad, go have some pad thai and change your attitude. Merv, who are you talking to?
No. 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 You have an attitude problem. Yeah, you do.
What are you doing?
Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. All the way up. Good job. Yeah, good girl.
No, don't you go.
Thumbelina, it's just a bag, babe. You can go down. It's okay.
Get my cake.
Thumbelina.
Come on, baby.
Tom, it's just a bag, babe. There's a million ways to get off that couch that bag doesn't have to kill you.
Tell everyone how smart you are.
Mommy train's not coming. You can figure it out. I think you can figure it out, okay?
Just a bag.
It's just a bag. You could do
Come
it.
on, give it another
Try it. Try
Come
it.
on.
Try it. Come on, you're almost there.
Yay! Good job. Good work. Good job, Pink Lightning. All right, you ready for dinner? Okay, that's my jacket. That's also not going to kill you. Yeah, you can. Yeah, okay. Okay.
I'm sorry, baby. Let's go. Let's get you some.
Homie is so chill. There's another one. Fuck, I'm gonna be overrun.
Go find a chair. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
What happened to your backyard? What happened? What is it, Finn? What happened? Where did all this stuff come from? Finny! What is it? Of course, such a boy.